Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Telegram application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have the Microsoft Store installed, you can tap on it to open it up or use the search feature to search for the Microsoft Store app. Once the Microsoft Store application is opened up, you can just tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Telegram and start your search. Once you find the Telegram application, from the application menu, go ahead and tap on the install button, and this will now begin the download and installation of the Telegram desktop application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then you can simply tap on the open button to proceed with logging into your account or signing up to create a new account and start using Telegram right from your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Telegram desktop application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.